In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a Google Drive folder. While Google Drive doesn't offer a true password lock for folders, you can create a simple gate using Google Forms. People enter a password, and if it's correct, they'll see a confirmation message with your folder link. Here's how to set that up clearly and safely. Start by opening Google Drive and choosing the folder you want to protect. Click the three dots next to the folder name and select Share. In the sharing window, click Copy Link. Keep this link handy. You'll paste it into your form later. As a quick tip, double check your sharing settings so only the right audience can open the folder once they have the link. Next, head to Google Forms and create a blank form. Give your form a clear title, something like Password Required to Access Folder, so visitors know what to expect. In the first question field, type a straightforward prompt such as, "What is the password?" Change the question type to short answer if it isn't already, and toggle required on so no one can submit the form without entering a value. Open the question's three-dot menu and choose response validation. By default, it may be set to number. Switch it to text. In the validation field, enter the exact password you want to use. This ensures the form only accepts the correct answer. Below that, add a custom error message. For example, "That password is incorrect. Please try again." This gives users helpful feedback without revealing the correct password. Now go to Settings, open the Presentation section, find the confirmation message, and click Edit. This is the message people will see after submitting the correct password. Write a brief, friendly note confirming access, then paste the Google Drive folder link you copied earlier. Click Save to apply your changes. When you're ready, publish the form and confirm if prompted. Then click Copy to grab your form's public link. Test the flow to make sure everything works. Paste the form link in a new tab and try submitting the wrong password to confirm your custom error appears. Then enter the correct password and click Submit. You should see your confirmation message with the folder link, which opens the Drive folder when clicked. That's it. You've created a simple password gate for your Google Drive folder using Google Forms. Keep your chosen password private, review your Drive sharing settings periodically, and update the form password and message anytime you need to change access.